Yo, we got the Lakers vs. Kings. This is the final game of the day. Lakers up big early. Been playing way better lately, coming off the W against the Thunder. Sheesh. Let's see if they can get this W now. Warriors won today, so they're obviously trying to get above 10th. So let's see, man. This should be a solid game. Rui. Okay. Okay. Good steal. Rui been playing way better lately. I told you this lineup that they got with Rui. This lineup right here, except D'Lo instead of Dinwiddie. Pretty solid. There's D'Lo. This guy D'Lo been playing nice lately. Fox. All the way. Fox. Nice. Okay, we get back in and end the first quarter. Monk against the former squad. Said I'm pulling. Still better than D'Angelo Russell, he's saying, and I'm in the playoffs. I don't know. I might rather have Malik Monk. Okay. Prince. Let's get the test too. Good shot. Malik. Mid-range. Nice. Fox. Good move. Good move. Good move. Sheesh. Sheesh. Sheesh, that was nasty. That was nasty. That was nasty. Monk.
It's Monk again. A little floater. AD almost fumbled it out of bounds.
Rui.
With the left hand block. That's a goaltend. By Lyles, count the basket to Rui.
And Monk's a bonus pick and roll with his butter.
Fire when ready.
His butter crisp.
He throws it down. He's gonna let LeBron try to chase down block here.
Mitchell.
Wide open. He casts off and we're tied at 48 after the Lakers led by 19. Bounce. Lyles. All of a sudden, Sacramento on top. Timeout. Lakers. Down the middle goes Rui. Left hand slam dunk. Murray backs up.
Davion. Okay, Kings right back in and got the lead. Sheesh. Murray. Damn.
And they hit again. This is a hot
Mitchell.
Really hot hand from three. He had missed.
Fox.
For three.
The Fox, man. Fox. Search, please.
That one rolls in. Number setting it to the studio. Jack of the Box halftime report.
Fox all the way with the left.
Tougher than the one before that he didn't make because AD was lurking.
Malik in the bronze grill. Holy shit, it's not even the end of the second quarter. What a turnaround. That's the craziest turnaround I've ever seen. Fox beyond it. Fox beyond it. The Kings are a bad matchup for the Lakers. They always do this shit to them.
Third foul on Davis.
Barnes. Yeah, Davis, come here.
So thank you for being a
Rui.
LeBron for three. Short. Rebound. It's all Kings right now. Look at her. Ahead of the pack. Whoa. What happened?
His legs almost got out from under him there.
All the way LeBron.
LeBron James.
Good little lay and they didn't stop Braun. Reeves right back to Braun. Down the middle he goes. Good feed.
Sheesh, after beating the Thunder, this is what y'all do.
And just like we thought, there's a timeout.
This is what y'all do. Fox. Fox.
Number 4.
Okay.
Baseline.
Come on.
Aaron Fox is at the rim.
Yeah, and he
Fox,
beats everybody there.
Fox.
It's like no chance.
That's just poor defense.
How about this? Defense, offense, behind the head, 89-68, time out. Rui down the middle, goes all the way to score. Sabonis coming off of a 21 rebound game.
Sabonis is ridiculous to the rebound.
Good play by Rui.
Just overpowering.
Yeah, he did. Who's playing defense?
Nobody.
Nobody. Who's going to nobody? Okay.
Reeves trying to get to double digits, and he does just that. LeBron trying to get to the rim, all the way to score. Almost looked like a concession basket. Oh, the spin, the score. Domantas Sabonis. Sabonis skipping basically into the front court. No AD, so that's Murray. rise and throw it down. Open is Spencer Dinwiddie.
Dinwiddie.
Pass finds LeBron. Here he goes. The train all the way down to the
LeBron.
score. LeBron has been going away.
Okay, get a bucket here. Might not be over. We've seen crazier things.
Here comes the timeout.
Okay.
With one to shoot.
Sheesh. Sheesh.
Man, he's something else, isn't he? Ellis keeps it alive.
Okay.
Len can't dunk it. Prince was there.
Wow.
The challenge.
That's crazy, Prince.
Christie.
Wow. Okay, hold on now. Get some energy, but Fox is gonna answer. But Fox is gonna answer. But Fox shall answer.
Clutch performer. LeBron.
Okay.
Tough left-handed layup. Monk pass the ball.
Sabonis.
Solid way to
Good
start.
play by Malik Monk.
Fox. Seriously.
Torian Prince, couple of big steps and throws it away. 3 on 2. Monk is the middleman. Good feed at the last second.
Nice
Ellis
pass.
who finishes.
Very, very nice pass.
Number 9 for the Lakers.
Sabonis with the leg.
And again, the only stumble was against Denver. Got to figure out how to beat those guys at some point.
Anthony Davis finally gets another hoop. He's 4 out of 12.
Malik Monk, quick step, scoop and score. Well, we saw that crazy comeback against the Clippers that was led by LeBron, but
Not this time, it's just over.
you know, that doesn't happen often. LeBron, kind of a standing 15-footer.
He was looking to throw it inside to Anthony Davis. They took that away.
And Rui scores! Rui got it!
The key is, though, what do they do with De'Aaron Fox?
He's got the basketball right now. Gets bumped, gets hit, and scores! LeBron with the defender in front of him. Lyles stumbling down. LeBron looking to turn, go all the way, and spin it in! Well, once again, LeBron trying to will the Lakers. Rui! Slam dunk!
Okay.
Malik Monk.
Sabonis.
Fox wanders into the lane. All the way.
Yeah.
Put it up and in. AD 10-footer. Got it.
Okay.
Fox. That probably put it away.
And that's game. And that's game. LeBron not in the game, I'm gone.
Oh, he banged. Oh, they steal it.
Yeah, it's so shitty. Alright. LeBron 30. Damn, 44! It's a bonus. Oh my, it's a bonus. 24 to 12 assists. Oh my gosh, he's so good.